Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Steve. If this is the first time you discover my channel, welcome. My YouTube channel is focused on 90% skincare, 10% lifestyle, and I have over 30 years experience in cosmetic. That's why it made me an expert in skincare education and skincare recommendation. If you like what you hear so far, please subscribe my YouTube channel here, turn on the notification bell so you know the day and time I release my video, and check out my Instagram, Mr. Jen All-in-One. Alright, today's video we're going to do a skincare demo and talk about a very popular skincare category dominate US in the last 16 years, but now I wonder if this category still happening. And that is Essence. And today we're going to review Neogen Dermalogy. And thank you Neogen Dermalogy sent this bottle for me to try, and I have been using this a couple times already, so I can kind of tell you what I like about this, what I don't like about this, and what is my recommendation who should be using this product. Okay, let's get started today's video. This product is called Neogen Dermalogy Real Fermented Micro Essence. This is a 150 ml and that is about 5 ounce. Retail for $38. So I can tell you right away, if you're looking for an essence but you don't want to spend a lot of money, this $38 it's not bad at all. So quickly talk about what is this product do. Okay, there are 3 benefits of a Neogen essence. Number 1, hydration. Number 2, improve skin barrier. And number 3, moisturizing your skin. You know the 3 benefits. Let's talk about this product right now. What I like about this here is it gives you pretty much clear information, everything that you need to know about this essence. Let me get my glasses here so I can see better. It says right here in the back, deeply hydrate and brightening essence that contain more than 93% naturally fermented ingredients. That sounds very similar like SK2, right? And this brand is made in Korea. So K-Beauty has dominated the US market for over 15 years now. Is K-Beauty still a thing? You know, I haven't really heard much about K-Beauty lately. And also speaking about K-Beauty, you think about J-Beauty, the Japan beauty. So essence category is really came from Asia. Before the K-Beauty and J-Beauty come to US, there's no essence category in the USA. Until today, many people still get confused. What is essence? So I'm going to take a moment and explain to you what is essence. Essence means a product that contains most highly concentrated ingredients. And this treatment usually to use after your toner, before your serum. So what is essence supposed to do for you? Usually the essence will help to speed up the skin renewal process, and then adding hydration benefits, improve skin barrier, and provide some moisturizations. And essence, usually the texture feels like water. However, different brands essence has different type of texture, and I like this one so far because when I try this on the skin, it feels pretty much just like water. It doesn't have that lotion-ish feeling. Nothing wrong with the lotion feeling. Typically, I like my essence more like water feeling. So it's much more easier to absorb into the skin. And this essence has really no scent. I don't know if there's fragrance in there, but I definitely don't smell anything, which is really, really great. And it is a glass package, so I really like that. Everyone knows that when the skincare product in the glass packaging, it really helps stabilize the ingredient better than the plastic. And how do you use this? Like I said earlier, after you wash your face, apply your toner, you have 2 options. First, you can put a couple drops in your palm, then you massage in your palm and lightly press on the skin for about 30 to 40 seconds until they completely absorb. 2, you can do what Asia practice. You pour the essence onto the cotton pad and lightly press on your skin for 100 times. That's right, you hear me, 100 times. So what's happening is that the essence will really push into the skin, so this way your skin can completely absorb this amazing ingredient and do what it's supposed to do. I have a little tip for you. If you choose to use cotton pad to apply the essence, after you press on the skin, don't throw away the cotton pad yet. You can split the cotton pad to half and place on the face that where it needs the hydration the most, and use as a face mask or you can put on back of your hand. So there's so many ways you can utilize the mask and not throw it away and not wasting the money. And I want to give you tip number 2. If you have, say, that discolorations or lines of wrinkle, before you apply the essence with cotton pad, you can gently put some of the either brightening serum or anti-aging serum on the skin and covered by the cotton pad with the essence. So this way the essence will push ingredient going deeper to get better results. So when I use this product, I don't really see instant results, but it feels really great. It doesn't feel sticky or anything like that. Would I be using this? Yeah, absolutely, because let me tell you here, even though I like SK2, but it is very luxurious skincare. Same size of an essence costs over $100. And yes, it's different ingredients, but I feel like not everyone can spend over $100, right? So if you're on the budget, you're looking for essence, this may be a great way to give it a try. Okay, let's talk about who need to use essence. Well, first thing first, I want to let you know that if you don't even use toner or serum, I wouldn't recommend you use the essence because it's too much step for you here. Because for the essence to do the best job, you literally need to use the toner first, followed by the essence. And you may ask that what's the difference between toner and essence? Because they both have a very similar consistency. So toner is really designed to remove the residue from the skin after you cleanse the face, and different toner adding different benefits in there. For example, if you have a dry skin, they are toner for hydration. If you're oily skin, there's oil control toner. So that is like a first step you use. And then before you select a serum that addresses your skin concerns, then you need to use the essence. So once again, purpose of essence is really speed up the skin renewal, improve the skin barrier. So this way, once the skin renew naturally, when you put on the serum or the moisturizer, they can go in deeper. Why am I talking about going deeper? Is because, in case you don't realize this, our skin is actually waterproof. Because it's waterproof, so there's a lot of ingredient will not absorb into the skin. So those chemical ingredients really hard to go inside the skin. The only way for them to go in deeper is by polish off the surface of the dead skin. So you have a better chance to absorb those ingredients. Earlier I mentioned that is essence still a thing? Well, after I left SK2 almost 3 years ago, I've been watching the beauty industry pretty closely, obviously, because I have my own skincare brand, right? I haven't seen anybody talk about essence. It could be because during the pandemic, every brand is hurting because we're not selling, right? And essence category is somehow following the map a little bit. And I need to be honest with you, essence category, it is huge in Asia. Because, don't hate me, I'm going to say this, okay? People in Asia, they spend a lot more time taking care of their skin than the people in the US. I don't know why. It could be the culture things, but I found that in the US, there's a lot of people don't even put sunblock. There's a lot of people don't even put moisturizer. So forget about the essence. So that may be the reason why essence category is never take off. I think US in general, the skincare is still not very sinking to people. They don't think they need a skincare. A lot of people don't even use any skincare at all. And there's nothing wrong with that. If that's not important to you, you don't have to. But let's talk about why you need skincare. Well, we're gonna age no matter what. Especially right now, we have so many damage beside the natural aging process. There is a photo damage from UV light. I mean, did you know the regular indoor light also damages your skin? Sun damage your skin. Stress increase the aging process. There's so many things impact your skin, make you older much more faster. So the only way to delay the aging process is by taking care of your skin, which means very simple. Just wash your face, put on a moisturizer, in the daytime use sunblock. That's the most easy thing you can do. If you can do the cleanser, moisturizer, and the sunblock, and after a while, you can maybe add on a serum and serum is really designed to address the skin concerns. So essence is really not a big category in the US because majority of the people still think essence just like a toner. So different. But anyway, that's my take on that. Would I be using essence? Absolutely. I've been using skincare since I was 20 years old. I'm 50 this year, so I think I look not bad, right? For 50 years old, I have no Botox, no laser, no filler, nothing. So this is all natural. That's why when I smile, you can see the wrinkle on my eyes here. I mean, that's natural. But I feel like I've been taking care of my skin so long, I was able to delay the aging process. So I don't look totally like a 50 years old middle-aged Asian man. Now I put it that way, that sounds really terrible, right? But anyway, that's just my take on the essence category in the US. So again, if you want to see how I like this product, make sure you check out my Instagram, because anytime I receive a skincare product, it really takes 30 days of using the product to see a true result. And I get so many skincare, sometimes I may do a review only using for a couple times, and if I don't like the smell, I don't like the texture, I will probably stop using. So the only way to see if I'm still using this, you have to follow my Instagram. And if you have any questions, definitely message me on my Instagram for much more faster results. At the end, I want to say thank you so much, Neogen, for sending this bottle for me to experience. Right, I really appreciate this. It means so much to me. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you learned something with my video. And let me know, leave a comment below if you have any skincare questions. And leave a comment below if you have any skincare questions. I would love to help you out. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye!